Your crypto is currently sitting in your wallet doing absolutely nothing while the market moves without you. If you don't move it to the exchange right now, you're basically watching digital paint dry. Stop being afraid of buttons and follow along. Open your Binance app and tap on Assets. Make sure you're in the Exchange section and tap Deposit. Pick the coin you want to move. Let's use USDT because it's a classic. Choose your network, like the BNB network, and copy that long, confusing address. Do not try to type it out unless you enjoy losing money. Now, tap the back arrow and head over to the Wallet section. Find your USDT under the Wallet Assets and hit the Send button. Here is the part where most people mess up. Make sure you select the exact same network you chose earlier. If you chose BNB before, choose BNB now, or your crypto will go on a one-way trip to nowhere. Paste that address you copied, hit Max if you're feeling bold, and tap Continue. Just like that, your money is actually where it needs to be. If you manage to do this without having a mental breakdown, leave a like. To prove you're not a bot and you actually followed the steps, comment the word transfer below.